Life, it's like an adventure. It will take you down many different paths along your journey. Are you prepared for what awaits? Introducing the American Trail Products Tall Series Adventure Bed Rack. Manufactured from 3/16 powder-coated steel and extruded aluminum, includes all stainless steel hardware, and it's compatible with almost all rooftop tents and awnings. This rack is ready to be customized and make it your own. The options for mounting accessories is limitless. Now, get on a path and see where your journey will take you.